Hey everyone, it's Bailey. Welcome back to Customized Close-Up for Category 6. Today I'm going to be showing you some products that annual members can choose in their summer box. And be sure to stick around to the end because I do have a code for you to get some money off of your first box. Alright, so let's get started with the VOESH Mani in a Box Duo. This comes with 2 sets to do your nails at home, which I definitely could have used today because I did not get my nails done for this shoot. I apologize to you guys. But this is a really cool thing to just have at home. It does come with the nail file, which is awesome because I'm always losing these, so the more nail files I can get my hands on, the better. And it comes with a 3-step process. The first step is a sugar scrub, exfoliate, get that dead skin off of your hands. Then it comes with a cream mask, so keep it nice and moisturized. And then you can finish off with some massage butter to make sure your hands are soft and supple and your nails are looking good and ready to go for the summer. Because if you're like me, you're in the water all summer, whether it's a lake, a river, an ocean, whatever it may be. So your nails don't last as long when you get a manicure, so it's nice to just be able to freshen up your nails at home. All right, so we are really stepping up our shower game this summer because we want to keep our skin nice and supple and hydrated and exfoliated, which this will definitely help you. So this is the ESPA Exfoliating Body Polish. It has a minty smell, which makes your skin feel really refreshed. It smells great. You just put it on in the shower, you rinse it on your skin, and then you exit your shower again, feeling fresh and beautiful and exfoliated. This body polish also has aloe vera in it, which, as you know, super hydrating, super great for the skin, especially in the summer when you're out in the sun all the time. Aloe vera is going to be your best friend, so getting it in any part of your skincare routine that you can is going to be key. All right, so you might recognize this next brand. They are normally known for their brows, but we are bringing you their lipstick. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. We have one in the Butterscotch color and one in the Velvet color. I really think that these help you have a no makeup look. During the summer, you want a super minimal makeup routine, so these go on really light. It kind of just adds a little bit of pizzazz to your summer tan. So this, some mascara, a little bit of highlighter, you'll be looking A1. So you do get to choose between the Velvet and the Butterscotch color, so whichever one you think would look best with your skin tone. Let me know below in the comments which one you're gonna be picking because you might be able to sway which one I'll be picking. All right, with this next product, not only are you going to look like $1 billion, but you're going to feel like $1 billion. We have the $1 Billion Brows Condition, Color, and Control set. This comes with 3 different products to help your brows just look amazing. First, you have your eyebrow conditioner. This just gives you a strong base to make your eyebrows pop. Next, you have obviously your eyebrow pencil to fill in, give you some color, give you that fullness. And then you are going to finish off with the brow gel to give you that nice, full, and set look. The brow color is definitely universal. You can swipe it on a few times if you have darker brows or just once or twice if you have lighter brows. So it's definitely something you can build up with. It's really great for all different skin tones, and I've really loved using this because I have come a long way with my eyebrow journey. In 4th grade, I accidentally tweezed them all off. So the fact that I even have eyebrows to work with now is amazing. So absolutely love this product, and it's definitely something I use every single day. All right, and next we have the Natura Brazil leave-in conditioner. I am so big on leave-in conditioner because my hair just craves moisture, and especially during the summer, again, you're going in the pool, you're going in lakes, oceans, rivers, all of the bodies of water, because I think we all know we're not washing our hair as much in the summer because chlorine water is pretty much equivalent to a shower, right? I mean, what do you think? Tell me in the comments below, or maybe I'm just really gross. But I really love this product. Again, it gives your hair that shine, that moisture that you really need, and just makes your hair look really great. And now here's a look at the throwbacks that we have for Customized Category 6. And here is how everything is bundled. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below what you are picking in Customized Category 6, because if you're anything like me, you know that this is going to be a very hard choice. So many great things to choose from. But I did tell you guys that there was a code, and that code is CLOSEUP to get $10 off of your first box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We can't wait to see everything you choose this season, and I will see you in the fall.